How to change country on Google account. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, launch the Google application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Now from this home page, navigate to top right corner and tap on your profile icon. A drop-down box will pop up. From there, tap on this button that says Google account below your account name. Now from this interface, tap on this personal info from the menu bar on your interface. Now under this personal info, scroll down a bit and there will have an addresses option. Now to change the country, you have to tap on home. Then tap on address, remove this country and then change the country to a new that you want to add in your Google account. After that, tap on the save button. And from here, go back. And as you can see, the country is now changed in your account. So that's how you can change country on Google account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.